we know about Only Men Allowed, so why did you form Only Boys Allowed?
Well, coming from the South Wales valleys, male choirs were the sort of the soundtrack of my childhood. But I'm also very aware that there's quite a lot of pressure on boys not to sing. You know, some people think it might not be something lads should do. So to that end, we don't audition, we don't charge anything. We have hundreds of boys singing in our 10 choirs across South Wales, and we have 36 here today.
Fantastic. Okay, I'll let you take your places.
Yep.
Singing You'll Never Walk Alone in an arrangement by Tim Rhys-Evans. It's the wonderful Only Boys Allowed.
When you walk through a storm, hold your head up high and don't be afraid of the dark. At the end of the storm is a golden sky and the sweet stillness of